So my screen broke. I had to buy another one. This is the curved monitor CR50 Samsung 27-inch. Put it in your hair. Damn, it doesn't even fit on the table. Hold up. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh shit. Okay, straight off we have well, that's not good. So straight off we have the accessory case. I'll show you this now. We have a HDMI cable, the power source plug. I don't know what this is, probably an adapter. Yep, needs an adapter to regulate the power. We have the back case, so this clips onto the TV itself. We have the actual stand. Oh, where's the long part? Chuck that there. And a booklet. Okay. Now for the actual curved. Oh, there it is. There it is, the curved. Let's try getting it out. It's actually not that heavy. Thought it would have been way heavier. It's not heavy at all. I like that. Normally that screens are very heavy, but this one's not really heavy at all. Where's the back part? Oh, that is the back part. Okay. Sorted. It's got a good curve to it. My first ever curved TV. Well, I say TV. First ever curved screen. I've never bought a curved. Quick assembly, and I'll show you. Probably need a screw. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Just need to screw the bottom in, and we're done. Right, it is huge. That's normal screen. 13.5. That's 27-inch. It's really big.